Unlock the secrets of digital success in How to Make Money with Instagram. In this guide, we'll journey into the dynamic world of social media entrepreneurship, where Instagram becomes your platform for profit. Explore strategies, tips, and real-life success stories that show you how to turn your Instagram presence into a revenue-generating powerhouse. From affiliate marketing to sponsored posts, join us as we unveil the potential for financial growth and creative freedom that this visual-centric platform offers. Get ready to take your Instagram game to the next level and monetize your passion. Today, we will talk about how to make money with Instagram. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. 1. Become an influencer and earn from advertising products. Who hasn't heard of Instagram influencers? Using influencers is perhaps one of the easiest ways to position yourself well and start making money from the social media giant. Again, it isn't viable for people with a few hundred followers. As I stressed earlier, you need a minimum following of about 3,000 followers and a high engagement rate. To start building followers, all you have to do is post pictures of your interests. Ideally, these images show your personality, helping you establish a glamorous personal brand. If you're interested, I have a whole blog showing you how I build followers on Instagram. Sure, you can follow a planned marketing strategy, but Instagram followers love it when you're true to your authentic self. As you share pictures and build your influence organically, relevant brands are likely to come knocking, rather than the other way round. Once you satisfy these criteria, here's a simplistic version of how to make money on Instagram. You create a sponsored Instagram post, say a photo or video. You include a branded hashtag, mention, or link to promote a brand. You share it with your audience. The brand pays you. Just one warning going into this, though. Don't pursue sponsored posts simply to make money without believing in the brand you're promoting. Furthermore, too many sponsored posts can deter your audience and lead to a loss of trust in your brand. For example, if you've built a following based on visiting fast food restaurants and writing greasy food reviews, suddenly partnering with a weight loss brand is a major conflict. 2. Promote affiliate offers. Affiliate marketing is similar to sponsored posts. The difference is that you only get paid if people buy the product or service you're promoting, rather than receive payment for your post. Instead, you earn a commission if people purchase the product or service you're promoting. There are positives and negatives to both approaches, and your success often depends on your audience. While sponsored posts deliver you a guaranteed income, you could make a lot more by promoting the right affiliate offer. Weigh up the pros and cons of both methods before deciding which works for you, or just experiment over time. However, if you opt for Instagram affiliate marketing, don't go thinking it's easy. It's much harder than running ads on your website. Not only do you require a launch audience, but Instagram doesn't allow clickable links anywhere except your bio. The only way to promote an offer and ensure you receive the affiliate income you're due is by using promo codes. It is easy to add these to your post or story since they are trackable. Of course, you still need your followers to visit the affiliate website on their own. 3. Start an Instagram shop. An Instagram shop lets you integrate your e-commerce store with your Instagram profile. This is the only way you can promote your products directly to Instagram followers through your posts, stories, the Explore tab, and the Shop tab on your profile. Once, there were large amounts of friction for e-commerce store owners wanting to sell through Instagram, but not anymore. Instagram shopping completely removes friction, letting customers easily check out products in the app and then head to your store at the click of a button. Let's say you're a clothing store and you want to promote an outfit. Simply upload a picture of your model wearing your outfit, and Instagram lets you tag up to 5 products per post. You can tag up to 20 products per carousel. You can also promote products in stories and videos. 4. Make money from your content. Just like YouTube, you can monetize your content directly on Instagram. Try one of the 3 below options. Instagram videos. Still wondering how to make money on Instagram? Videos could be your answer. In recent years, Instagram has made steps towards simplifying its videos. For users, that means an end to IGTV ads and a move to Instagram videos. Instagram videos merge feed videos and IGTV. Business profile users can access them via a tab on their account profiles, and you can upload videos in the usual way. Live badges. If you broadcast live on Instagram, badges are a fantastic way for your followers to show their support. Think of them as tips your audience can give you when you broadcast. Your viewers can buy a badge during a broadcast, selecting from 3 levels of hearts that each have a different price point: one for $0.99, 2 for $1.99, or 3 for $4.99. 5. Become an Instagram coach or consultant. If you're killing it on Instagram and have a massive, engaged following, why not make money by teaching others to do the same? People want to know how to make money on Instagram. It's why I'm writing this article after all. If you know how to do it, and have done so yourself, you can make a lot of money. 6. Indirectly make money by advertising your brand. You don't need a business that's directly tied to Instagram to generate sales. Thousands of canny entrepreneurs leverage their Instagram following to make money through a separate business. It really doesn't matter what kind of business you operate. Instagram is an amazing way to get the word out and generate traffic and sales for your brand. Instagram is particularly powerful if you have a physical product that you can show people using, or if you are a service-based business like a travel agent that can work incredibly well. The more followers you have, the more people will see your posts and consider using your business in the future. 7. Teach your audience and get paid. Promoting other people's products via affiliate links or selling physical products through an online store are both fantastic options to make money on Instagram. However, what if I revealed there's a way to earn more money than affiliate marketing without having to handle physical inventory? Well, there is, and it's called selling info products. Info products aren't popular with everyone, but you don't need to sell dating advice, weird diets, or low-quality products to make money on Instagram. If your Instagram account teaches your audience how to do something, whether that's learning a foreign language, practicing yoga, or woodworking, you can create a premium info product that you can sell for upwards of $100. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.